Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Steam not detecting games on an external drive. If your Steam games are installed on an external hard drive or SSD but suddenly appear uninstalled, don't worry. In most cases, the game files are still there. Steam may simply be unable to detect the external drive, the library folder may no longer be linked, or the drive letter may have changed. The good news is that you can usually restore access to your games without downloading them again. First, make sure your external drive is properly connected to your computer. Disconnect and reconnect the drive, then open File Explorer and confirm that Windows can see it. If the drive does not appear in File Explorer, Steam won't be able to detect any games stored on it. Next, launch Steam and click Steam in the top left corner, then select Settings. In the Settings window, click Storage from the left sidebar. Review the list of Steam library folders. If your external drive's library folder is missing, click Add Drive and browse to the Steam library folder located on the external drive. Once added, Steam should begin recognizing installed games stored there. If the library folder already appears but games are still missing, click the three-dot menu next to the library location and select Repair Library. Steam will scan the folder and fix common library detection issues. Another common problem occurs when Windows assigns a different drive letter to the external drive. For example, a drive that was previously assigned the letter D: may now appear as E: or F:. Since Steam stores library paths using drive letters, this can prevent it from finding your installed games. To check this, open Disk Management in Windows and verify that the drive letter matches the one previously used by Steam. If necessary, you can change the drive letter back to its original value. You should also verify that the Steam library folders still contain your game files. Open the external drive in File Explorer and navigate to the Steam library folder. Inside, you should see folders such as Steam Apps and Common, which contain your installed games. If Steam still does not recognize the games, try starting an installation for one of the missing titles. Select the same Steam library folder on the external drive when prompted. Steam will scan the existing files and, in many cases, detect the game instead of downloading it again. Another useful step is restarting Steam after reconnecting the drive. Click Steam and select Exit, then reopen the application. This refreshes Steam's library information and drive detection. You can also restart your computer to clear temporary drive detection issues that may be preventing Steam from communicating properly with the external storage device. After completing these steps, Steam should detect your external drive correctly and restore access to your installed games without requiring a full re-download. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, drop a comment, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.